I have spent over 17 years in the HVAC field as a technician and a contractor, but my background actually started as a Navy nuclear electrical operator working in power plants. For the last 2 decades, I have also been running the HVAC for Beginners website to help homeowners cut through the sales talk. Most people assume that if they buy a big name brand, they are getting a superior piece of machinery, but the reality is often just a different sticker on the same assembly line. Today we are looking at Frigidaire and Tempstar to see if you are getting a high performance machine or just a high price nameplate. When you look at the heritage of these brands, you are looking at two very different corporate families. Frigidaire HVAC was historically under the Nordine umbrella, but Nordine was recently acquired by Rheem Manufacturing. This is a significant shift in corporate parentage that usually leads to a blending of technology and supply chains over time. Tempstar is a member of the International Comfort Products family, better known as ICP. This is important because ICP is a subsidiary of Carrier, essentially making Tempstar a sibling to the flagship Carrier brand. You often find that these subsidiary brands are priced much more aggressively than the flagships, but you have to be careful that a local contractor isn't trying to charge you flagship prices for a subsidiary box. Starting with the build quality, there is a clear distinction in how these units protect their most vital part, the outdoor coil. The Frigidaire FSA 4BF features a full louvered coil guard, which is a heavy-duty metal cabinet with slats. This offers the best protection against hail, stray rocks from a lawnmower, or even a neighbor's dog. The Tempstar T5A8T uses a wire grill instead of louvered panels. While a wire grill allows for slightly better airflow and is easier to clean, it leaves that expensive coil much more vulnerable to physical damage. From a noise perspective, the Frigidaire operates at about 71 decibels, and the Tempstar is slightly quieter at 70 decibels. On the efficiency front, we are comparing two premium tier models. The Frigidaire FSA 4BF comes in with a 15.2 SEER rating. The Tempstar T5A8T steps it up with a higher 18.0 SEER. Both of these units use two-stage compressors. A two-stage unit runs on the lower stage most of the time to keep humidity out and the temperature steady, only kicking into high gear when the summer heat really hits. This means better comfort and lower bills compared to a basic single-stage unit. Looking at the 2026 pricing, a typical 3-ton installation for the Frigidaire FSA 4BF is averaging around $9,650. The Tempstar T5A8T is coming in higher, averaging approximately $10,400 for a similar sized install. That price gap is largely due to the Tempstar's higher efficiency rating and its association with the Carrier family technology. You are paying more upfront for the Tempstar, but you are also getting a unit that is cheaper to run every month. For maintenance, I always tell people to keep it simple. You should clean your outdoor coils with a gentle spray from a garden hose once a year to keep the heat transfer efficient. The warranty is where the confidence of the manufacturer really shows. Both brands offer standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. However, Tempstar includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty, which means if the compressor fails, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. This level of protection on the Tempstar side is a huge win for long-term ownership and shows significant brand confidence. I did run a recall check, and there is a note for Tempstar involving a CPSC recall about packaged gas electric units due to a control board hazard. While this recall is not for the exact unit we are reviewing, it points to potential general manufacturing or safety concerns for the brand. After looking at the technical specs and the long-term value, the winner of this matchup is Tempstar. While the Frigidaire is a solid machine with better physical coil protection, the Tempstar T5A8T takes the lead with its significantly higher 18.0 SEER efficiency and its superior 10-year unit replacement warranty. The extra investment in Tempstar pays off over time. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.